Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana account locked or restricted issues. Sometimes users are suddenly unable to log in or access their account, and it can disrupt work. First, understand why accounts get locked. This can happen due to multiple failed login attempts, unusual activity, or security reasons. Knowing the reason helps fix it faster. Step 1, check your email. Asana usually sends a notification or instructions if your account is locked. Follow any links or steps provided carefully. Step 2, reset your password. Click Forgot Password on the login page and create a new strong password. This often resolves lockouts. Step 3, clear browser cache and cookies. Old login data can cause access problems. After clearing, restart your browser and log in again. Step 4, use the correct email. Make sure you're logging in with the email associated with your Asana account. Alternate emails may not work. Step 5, check for security issues. Ensure your email provider is active and not blocking Asana emails. Whitelist no-reply at asana.com to receive notifications. Step 6, contact Asana support. If the account is still restricted, support can verify your identity and restore access. Provide your registered email and issue details. So yeah, fixing a locked or restricted Asana account is about checking emails, resetting password, clearing cache, using correct login, ensuring email security, and contacting support. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.